Good day everyone. So in this video I'm gonna share you that this AI always helps me to be more confident, particularly speaking in English, and also you will have the virtual friend. So the tool that I'm gonna talk about is this Stimuler AI, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And don't worry because this also accessible into your app store. You can simply open it, and this gonna be the opening your personal AI speech. And as you can see here, there are a lot of materials, and also you can track your strike every single day over here. And if you would like to try this stimular, for the first timer, they might ask you several questions. For example, your purpose and goal. And by choosing that purpose, they will also give you the specific material that you will learn every single day, guys. However, if you'd like to try the another way to gain more confidence, so you can go to this practice. And for example, you can talk about the hobbies. You can continue to click start conversation.
There, Sarah here. I admire artistic hobbies. Do you engage in any artistic or creative hobbies?
You can pause this conversation in case you still thinking about the things that you're gonna say. Also, the AI that will accompany you to have the conversation is Sarah. Don't worry, guys, about the judgment or feel shy about say something. Just make a mistake because eventually you will learn from that mistake and be more fluent. Don't worry, guys. You can just go ahead. For example, hey Sarah, here I started getting interested about the hobbies like analyzing about the football, and also since in this year there will be the World Cup 2026. I guess it will be held in America and also some in Mexico, isn't it correct?
Hey, football analysis sounds super interesting. And you're right about the World Cup 2026. It's going to be held in the USA, Canada, and Mexico. Are you rooting for a specific team?
And if you'd like to respond it, then you can click this play. And after that, if you would like to send the conversation, you can continue to click this button, guys. As you can see here, whenever I have just said every single word or sentence, this AI going to extract every word into the conversation or word like this, guys. And if you find the one over here, you can simply open it and see there's the correction about the mistake that I made and the things that I supposed to say, guys. And also the pronunciation. If you'd like to hear, you can click this
Analyzing.
and practice it. A-
Analyzing.
Analyzing, analyzing, and also the vocabulary, just like the grammar one. This also give you a little bit correction about the things to make the conversation more natural, and also you can apply it in the further conversation so that you can be more fluent and also confident, guys. For example, like this analyzing, that should be changed or supposed to be said studying, guys. And you can also give the bookmark over here, and then you can continue to have this conversation with Sarah. So that's all, guys. Please try conversation with Sarah every single day, and I believe that your speaking skills always gain up, and also your confidence always raising. And I believe that the speaking skills also will be beneficial for your future. And if you have any requests or feedback or even the recommendation, you can let us know in the comment section. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.